Most survival guides are written for men, overlooking the unique needs of women. This isn't just an inconvenience. It's a real risk to women's health and safety in a crisis. Emergencies don't pause for periods, infections, or reproductive health needs. Ignoring these realities can sideline women when their families and communities need them most. This guide is here to change that. We'll go beyond fire, building, and shelter, focusing on women's wellness under pressure. True preparedness means planning for your whole health, not just survival basics. When women are strong and healthy, everyone benefits. Let's make preparedness complete for everybody. Your period won't wait for the crisis to end. In emergencies, managing your cycle is about comfort, hygiene, and health. Stock supplies for at least 2 cycles. Pads, tampons, or your preferred products. Reusable options like menstrual cups and cloth pads are compact, long-lasting, and essential if disposables run out. If you're caught without supplies, improvise with clean, absorbent fabric and change often to prevent infection. Don't forget pain relief. Pack ibuprofen, a heat pack, or herbal teas like raspberry leaf. Being prepared for your cycle is non-negotiable. It's not just about convenience. It's about staying strong and focused. Plan ahead, and your period won't slow you down. In survival situations, infections like UTIs and yeast infections can become serious threats. Prevention starts with hygiene. Pack unscented, pH-balanced wipes, and soap for intimate care. Always wipe front to back, wear breathable cotton underwear, and change daily. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of clean water to flush bacteria and avoid holding your urine. Purify water with filters or tablets and urinate frequently. Include D-mannose for UTIs and antifungal cream for yeast infections in your kit. Tea tree oil, diluted, can help as a natural antiseptic. Even with precautions, infections can happen. Be ready to treat them. Staying clean and prepared keeps you healthy and resilient. Don't let preventable infections take you out of the fight. Survival isn't just about calories. It's about the right nutrients. Women need iron, calcium, and magnesium to stay strong, especially during menstruation and stress. Stock iron-rich foods like beans and lentils, jerky, and fortified cereals, and pair with vitamin C for better absorption. Include calcium and magnesium sources, powdered milk, canned fish, nuts, and seeds. A women's multivitamin is a must-have safety net. Learn to identify wild edibles like dandelion greens and nettles for extra nutrition. The right nutrition keeps your body and mind resilient. Feed your strength. Don't just survive, thrive. Crisis brings relentless stress, which can break down your health and decision-making. Managing stress is a survival skill. Pack calming aids like lavender oil, herbal teas, and a comforting object. Earplugs and an eye mask can help you rest, even in chaos. Practice simple breathing techniques like 4-7-8 breathing to calm your mind. Mindfulness and short moments of calm help you stay grounded and clear-headed. Ashwagandha and calming teas can support your nervous system naturally. Build these habits now so they're second nature when you need them. Mental resilience is as vital as any tool in your kit. Protect your mind to protect your body. A real preparedness kit is more than a checklist. It's tailored for your health. Organize your kit into modules. Hygiene, medical, and nutrition security. Hygiene, menstrual cup, reusable pads, intimate wipes, quick dry towel, and a female urination device. Medical first aid kit, pain relievers, antifungal cream, D-Mannose prescriptions, and a women's multivitamin. Nutrition high iron and calcium foods, electrolyte powders, and a water filter. Tools multi-tool, knife headlamp, security personal alarm, or whistle. Every item should support your total well-being. Your kit is your lifeline. Build it with intention. Preparedness is self-reliance and strength. This isn't just for women, it's for anyone who cares for women. True preparedness means understanding everyone's needs. Men, learn about women's health supplies. Leaders, stock shelters with menstrual products. Caregivers, think beyond your own needs. Prepare for daughters, mothers, and partners. Normalize conversations about periods and infections. Remove the stigma. Create a safe space for women to speak up about their needs. Share this knowledge with your family and community. The more we talk, the stronger we become. Preparedness is a collective effort. When everyone is cared for, everyone is stronger. Preparedness isn't about fear. It's about empowerment. When you plan for your health, you gain confidence and freedom from worry. Women's needs are essential, not optional. A prepared woman is a leader, a caregiver, and a force for stability. Use this guide as a starting point. Adapt it to your unique needs. Share your knowledge and help others prepare. Together we build resilience and strength for any challenge. Let's move forward, ready to thrive, no matter what comes.